Did you know that generative AI has a temperature setting? But don't worry, it has nothing to do with being hot or cold. Let's break down exactly what this parameter does in less than 60 seconds. Think of temperature as a creativity knob. It usually ranges from 0 to 1. It tells the AI how much risk to take when choosing the next word in a sentence. When the temperature is low, like zero point 0.1, the AI plays it safe. It becomes deterministic. It chooses the most predictable answer every time. This is perfect for coding, math, or factual answers where you don't want mistakes. When you turn the temperature up, like zero point 0.9, the AI takes risks. It chooses less common words to be unique. This is amazing for writing poetry, brainstorming ideas, or storytelling. Here is the difference. At low temp, the AI says, the fox jumps over the dock. At high temp, it might say, the fox danced across the meadow. See the difference? So remember, use low temperature for logic and high temperature for creativity. That's generative AI temperature in a nutshell. Subscribe for more AI tips.